Hi everyone, in today's review we're going to see Toyota Yaris. This car has engine 1.3 liter 4 cylinders which generates 97 horsepower and 122 newton meters of torque. The transmission is CVT with manual sequential mode. Let's see the front side of the car. Actually this one is not a fake, which is good for aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The black piano grille looks totally different and I love it. It gives more strong view of the car, the front side of the car. How about sides? As I mentioned, it's compact sedan, so the size is not that big and not long, so it's very easy to control, especially in urban and the cities. In my opinion, actually this generation looks much more better than previous one. And as you can see in backside under the logo there is a camera and the back sensors as well, and it looks pretty sporty car. The small details which they made under the bumpers, so it looks more aggressive look to the car. I wasn't that big fan of the Yaris, but after seeing this model, especially this generation, I fell in love with this car. Besides, it's considered one of the most economic cars. As you know, Toyota, they are very fuel efficient cars. Actually, for this special car, as you can see, the wheels are 16 alloy wheels with a disc brakes, front side and back side, to give more stability. Okay, let's check interior of the car, what they did. But here we don't have keyless entrance, but still it's fine. So here the mixture of a plastic and some leather with a piano black touches here, and all controls you have in the door, and there is big space. And as you can see, seats are manual because actually this is first category. Definitely they have several categories, and maybe highest versions have a full option. So over here we have stability control, traction control, parking sensors, and this side, all right. Oh, I like it. It's kind of small space you can keep your keys or your something to hide. This is AC ventilations, but this part is plastic. They have 7-inch infotainment, and I like the steering wheel, the all controls you can find here, the cruise control and the media, and here they have made some touch, silver touch, and the digital speedometers. But it's good that from even first standard category it start stop engine, it means keyless, and this side also they added some leather touch and AC buttons here, physical buttons. I like it actually, it's easy to control as you can see. Alright, here we have wireless charger for your mobile. That's good. And CVT transmission, as we said, it's good option, hill hold, and the handbrakes are automatic. Here nice touch of leather, you have enough space I guess for some of your belongings, you can keep it here. It's not that deep, but still it's enough. And here we have glove box, also it's decent, it's not that big, but for this size of the car it's fine. And other side also actually you have door lock controls on the passenger side as well to give more control. And the seats actually it's a mixture between the leather and other materials. Over here is inside lights, you can control it manually, and mirrors, right. But other side, the passenger side doesn't have a mirror, but still it has 6 airbags. But definitely it depends on the category. Standard category is only 2 airbags. And about fuel economy, it's 22.4 liter per 22.4 kilometer per liter. Sorry, it was locked. Let's unlock the door so we can see the back seats and the comfort of back passengers. Okay, it's same materials, so there's no difference between both sides, but the good thing that here you have cup holder, and the down you have space. Actually car has 6 speakers, and the same material of the seats, It's made, as you can see, for 3 people. I think it will be enough because even here we have the child chair fixers over here, right? Okay, how about space? We have some pockets in both sides, it's good. So and other side also cup holders. We have AC and the 2 USB-C charger spots. So I think the basics of rear passengers is available, but still the seat is too high, so it can block some view, and knees it's not that big, but still enough. But maybe for people with a longer height it will be difficult to sit. Thank you for watching and being with me. Don't forget to leave me on comments which car would you like to see in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video, guys.